Do you know that as a business owner, content writer, copywriter, you can generate ideas, series of valuable content and casual conversation for yourself these days? Before we go into that, my name is Hafiz Abdulkarim, and on this channel we deal with sales, marketing, online money making and motivation. So subscribe to this channel so that I can be able to be seeing valuable content like this on this channel. Now let's move on. How can you generate this idea that I'm talking about? Now it is with the use of your AI, which is the artificial intelligence. So the artificial intelligence I'm talking about is nothing but what? But your ChatGPT that just came in last year, December 2022. So you can make use of this ChatGPT on how to drive, maybe on anything, on any idea that you want to pull out online. So now, before I would like to show you my screen now, so that you'll be able to see how to use your ChatGPT in order to get more responsive ideas to your what, for your businesses, for you as a copywriter, or for you as a content writer. Now let's now down to my screen. How to make use of your ChatGPT. So let's go down to my browser. You are going to click on chat.open.ai, chat.open.ai.com. Then you are going to log in with because I've already logged in here. You sign in with your mail and your password. Once you sign in with your mail and password, you go and verify it on your email. Then you'll be able to log in as well. I have logged in here like this. As you can see that it's blinking for me to ask questions on this. Now, for me to ask question on this, the first question that I would want to ask is that set goals for me on how to become Facebook ad experts in 3 months. So you can see that it's loading. It's not only copywriter or content writer that are business people that can make use of this ChatGPT. The programmers are also making use of this ChatGPT for their programming stuff, so they also make use of. As you can see that it's bringing what I asked him out, and it's going to be it is on conversational context, it's on conversational tone, like the way I'm asking a human being. And they create ChatGPT in order to provide a high quality human like response for us. So that is why the creation of that's the goal of ChatGPT. You can see that it has brought different the answers for me. Decide to study algorithm, create a Facebook page, should develop content strategy, engaging. So I can also ask a question for those people. Maybe write 200 words of article. Write 200 words of article. Tagged how to explore blockchain in 2023. So 200 words. It's going to be exact 200 words. Then, as you as a writer, it's not less for you to know how to play your game around, maybe by using your clipboard and spinboard. So be able to. It's not that maybe you are going to model in the way that it's not that you are doing copying and paste here. So that is how to make use of. So any other people can also make use of this ChatGPT. So that is, you can see that it's giving me a very concise answer. When I say you should write a 200 word for me, I should familiarize myself. You can see the answer that it's bringing for me. As we are rolling it, you can see the answer that it's bringing for me. So it's going to write it on 200 words. If you are asking, you can ask series of questions for ChatGPT and it will definitely answer you on what. And I love it that it's going to tell you maybe at the end of the day that you should also make more research on the question you ask, but it's going to give you ideas on how to explore, on how to bring it in. So that's how to make use of your ChatGPT in a very simple way. You can ask any question to ChatGPT and it will give you a direct answer to what you ask. So that's how to make use of your ChatGPT. I believe you've seen on how to navigate your ChatGPT for your content writings, for your copy writings, and also for business ideas. So we end it for the day. Take care, thank you, and subscribe to this channel for more valuable content like this that I'll be pushing out. Have a blast. time and have a wonderful time ahead.